Hey everyone, and welcome back. Alright, a matchup that feels like it's been pulled straight from a dream. We're just a few short weeks away from what could be one of the most electrifying events of the year. The hypothetical, potentially headlining a White House card. Now I know what you're thinking. A White House card? It sounds like something out of a movie. But the sheer thought of these two warriors stepping into the octagon is enough to send shivers down your spine. Imagine the energy, the highlight. A man who defines controlled chaos every single time he steps in there. You know you're in for a war. His leg kicks are legendary. His power is undeniable. And his ability to absorb punishment and keep coming forward is just awe-inspiring. He's a human highlight reel, constantly pushing the pace, always looking for that spectacular finish. He embodies grit, resilience, and an unyielding will to win. You can practically feel the impact of his strikes just thinking about them. And then we have Ilia Topuria, El Matador. This man is a phenomenon. He carries himself with an almost regal confidence. And for good reason. His striking is incredibly precise. His boxing is crisp. And his grappling is absolutely elite. He's shown us time and again that he has the power to shut down opponents with a single punch, and the technical prowess to dominate on the ground. He's a fighter who seems to be operating on a different level, with an aura of invincibility that grows with every performance. He's not just winning, he's making statements. Now picture these two forces colliding. Gaeth's relentless pressure and devastating power against Topuria's surgical precision and explosive counter-striking. Will Gaethje be able to walk through Topuria's best shots and impose his will? The stylistic matchup is just incredible. It's a classic striker versus striker, but with so many layers of technique, heart, and sheer athletic brilliance. This isn't just a fight. It's a spectacle of human endeavor, a testament to years of dedication, sacrifice, and relentless pursuit of greatness. Both men are at the absolute peak of their powers, and the idea of them sharing the octagon is enough to make any fight fan giddy. It's about two incredible athletes, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in combat sports, showcasing their unique skills and unwavering spirit. The anticipation for a matchup like this, even in our wildest dreams, is truly something special. Thank you so much for tuning in and sharing in the excitement for this incredible hypothetical showdown. If you enjoyed this, please consider giving us a like and maybe even subscribing for more discussions on the most thrilling aspects of the fight game. We appreciate your support more than you know.